Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between IFRS and GAAP. IFRS is a set of international accounting standards that state how particular transactions and other events should be reported in financial statements. IFRS was established in order to have a common accounting language, so businesses and accounts can be understood from company to company and country to country. On the other hand, GAAP, or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, is the common set of accepted accounting standards and procedures that U.S. accountants follow when they compile financial statements. In the United States, if a company distributes its financial statements outside of the company, it must follow Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or GAAP. So, let's look into the basic differences between IFRS and GAAP in a tabular form. Difference number 1. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards, whereas GAAP stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. Number 2. IFRS is developed by the International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, whereas GAAP is developed by the Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASB. Number 3. IFRS is adopted in around 144 countries globally, whereas GAAP is only adopted in the United States. Number 4. IFRS is based on principles, whereas GAAP is based on rules. Number 5. IFRS allows only the FIFO method for inventory valuation, whereas GAAP allows both FIFO and LIFO methods. Number 6. IFRS permits inventory write-down reversal, whereas GAAP does not allow it. Number 7. Under IFRS, extraordinary items are not segregated and are included in the income statement, whereas under GAAP, extraordinary items are segregated and shown below net income. Number 8. IFRS uses a revaluation model for fixed asset valuation, whereas GAAP uses a cost model. Number 9. Development costs can be capitalized under IFRS if certain conditions are met, whereas under GAAP, development costs are always treated as an expense. And difference number 10. IFRS provides more flexibility in accounting due to its principle-based approach, whereas GAAP provides less flexibility due to its rule-based approach. So, these are the differences between IFRS and GAAP. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.